How good is your Spanish? In this quiz, you'll see a verb in Spanish, and your job is to guess the correct action. Sounds easy? Think again. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's begin. Can you guess this verb?
Correr.
Which action is correct?
Comer.
Is it A or B?
Dormir.
What's the right verb here?
Saltar.
Do you know this action?
Escribir.
Pick the correct picture.
Leer.
Which image shows the verb?
Cocinar.
A or B? What's your choice?
Nadar.
Show me your Spanish skills.
Bailar.
Can you identify this action?
Cantar.
Which photo matches the verb?
Beber.
Ready? Choose the right one.
Caminar.
Think fast. What's the answer?
Reír.
Is this the right verb?
Llorar.
Which side is correct?
Lavar.
Let's see if you know this one.
Limpiar.
Select the correct action.
Volar.
How about this verb?
Pintar.
Do you recognize this?
Jugar.
Give it your best shot.
Abrir.
Which image is the answer?
Cerrar.
Can you figure it out?
Empujar.
A or B? You decide.
Tirar.
Look closely. Which one is it?
Subir.
It's quiz time. Pick one.
Bajar.
Ready for a challenge?
Cortar.
Which action matches the text?
Besar.
Tap the right answer.
Abrazar.
Is your vocabulary ready?
Romper.
Point to the right verb.
Comprar.
What's the Spanish action here?
Vender.
Choose the winner.
Escuchar.
Can you get this one right?
Hablar.
Which picture is it?
Mirar.
Is this easy for you?
Tocar.
Find the right match.
Arreglar.
Your turn. Which one?
Pensar.
Do you know this Spanish verb?
Aprender.
Make your pick.
Enseñar.
Show us what you've got.
Dibujar.
Is it the left or the right?
Conducir.
Ready to guess the next one?
Montar.
Can you spot the correct image?
Patinar.
Which one is the right choice?
Pescar.
Test your brain. Which is it?
Cazar.
Pick the best action.
Caer.
Do you know your verbs?
Escalar.
Which image belongs to this word?
Arrastrar.
Time to choose. A or B.
Levantar.
Don't let this trick you.
Cargar.
Which action is the real one?
Soltar.
Go ahead and select.
Peinar.
Is this familiar to you?
Afeitar.
Can you name this action?
Vestir.
Which side has the answer?
Gritar.
Ready to win this round?
Susurrar.
Which photo is the correct one?
Trabajar.
Look at the word. Pick the image.
Descansar.
How fast can you decide?
Viajar.
Is it A or B? Final answer?
Buscar.
Can you beat this question?
Encontrar.
Which one represents the verb?
Perder.
Identify the right action.
Ganar.
Bet you can't guess this.
Sonreír.
What's the correct picture here?
Regalar.
Do you recognize this verb?
Recibir.
Select the winning photo.
Patear.
Which one is the true match?
Golpear.
Last few. Which is the one?
Sembrar.
Can you get the final verb?
Regar.
Thanks for watching the video. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more quizzes. See you in the next one.